Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Goa to explore new international markets to attract tourists. Kerala Tourism will work to build Kochi as a chief tourism hub. Sharjah to have a new adventure tourism destination soon. Heathrow restrictions impact India-London flight, more could follow. IHCL wins top honors for risk management at Golden Peacock Awards. Canada, random COVID testing will resume for international travelers. Asia's first high-speed craft ro-pax vessel Konkan Gaurav launched in Mumbai. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.